welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking. My name is Sandy Faith, just in case you are new here. And on today's demonstration, I'll be redoing a video that I did 3 months ago. So that video is getting a lot of attention, like it has a lot of views, and people are asking me questions like, oh, you need to do a detailed version, the video wasn't clear. That's why I haven't been uploading any video, because I didn't want to do that before I fulfill your promise. So today I'll be redoing that video, and I'll be showing you how to come up with these neat temporary locks, as you can see. And also my next video, I'll be attaching this onto my friend's hair, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So make sure you do that so that you won't miss anything. So according to that video that I did, I'm sorry, y'all will have to excuse me, I'll have to read your names. So I have Shanice Wambua. Hi. Yours, according to that video, you left a comment saying this process seems to be more fast, please do a detailed version, plus what you was asking, the crochet number. All those, I'm going to put everything for you. You'll see all that in this video. And then someone else called Florence Moniki. Hi. You was asking, wish you could have zoomed while taking the video because it's not clear. And then we have Stephanie Magero. You were saying, how do you make the ombre ones? Yeah, how do you make the ombre ones? So in this video, everything is going to be so this is what we called ombre. Ombre is like you have another color down here and another color up here. That's what we call ombre. So keep on watching this video up to the end, and don't forget to leave your thumbs up, leave a comment, so that I'll know if I did it right, if you were satisfied, you know. And okay guys, so this is all that I'll need: the scissors, petroleum jelly, and the brush. And then I have my crochet there is number 8, as you can see, but it's not a must you use the same brush as that one. You can use the brush to polish your shoe, or you can at the same time you can still use the toothbrush. So what I'm doing, I'm taking that one strand, split it into 2, and then try to get 9 pieces. So I'll use that as the bottom part of my locks, and all I'm doing, I'm just doing a thorough separation so that it will look like our natural hair, the afro hair. And then you'll come up with something like that. Take my crochet, pass it through the hair, and try to get the excess hair that is above the hair. And all I'm doing, as you can see guys, I'm holding the bottom part of the hair with my 3 fingers, and then my thumb and my second finger. The thumb is just helping me to roll the hair over as I'm pulling the hair, as you can see. Get the excess hair, pull it in. Now this is what I was telling y'all. my thumb is helping me to roll the hair over as the crochet is getting the excess hair that is above my temple locks. And then tomorrow I'll be attaching this on my friend's hair, so make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss the video. And then at the lower part I'll just brush a little bit and then I'll fold, as you can see, so that I'll get a neat ending or the neat finishing. So I'll just continue doing the same thing that I was doing. Put some oil on my hair because it's kind of rough. And the deal when you're making these temple locks is the more you palm roll is the more you'll get neat. The more you palm roll is the more your locks will come out neat. Now on the dark side, wacha sasa niongee Kiswahili. Nitachukua hiyo kinki moja nigawanishe mara mbili, and then after kugawanisha mara mbili nachukua tu hiyo piece moja naendelea kutoanisha until nipate hiyo look inakaa kama nywele yetu afro senye tu umechana. And then hiyo strand moja itanipatia 3 pieces of the locks that I'm doing. You just need to be gentle and then take your time when you're doing this. Haitaki ukuwe na haraka so that you come up with something that is neat. So hiyo moja nikishatoanisha inanipatia locks 3. So nitazigawanya into 3 and then hapo chini nitakata kidogo, but si lazima. Nikishakata sitatupa hiyo piece, nitaiongeza kwa hiyo nywele nyingine, and then nitachukua the brown part nizijoinishe pamoja. I'm sorry for people who are watching me from other continent who can't understand Swahili. So again, I'll just continue pulling the hair, the same thing that I was doing. And yep, this is how I came up with these neat temporary locks. And I hope you'll try this at home by yourself, or maybe go to the salonist and then you can upload this video and show them, and they will just do it for you. Yeah, keep on watching this video up to the end. I hope you are enjoying. Kabla sijasahau, ukitaka zikuwe ndefu the more you want, ukitaka zifike kwa miguu, ukitaka zifike juu ya kiuno, so unaendelea tu kujoinisha. The more you joinisha, the more you will get the length of your desire. I hope this video was detailed as you guys requested, so I hope I've fulfilled the promise. I hope I've fulfilled your desire. I don't know. Yeah, so this is how I came up with the locks.